Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Quick and easy and very tasty tandoori naan without tandoor in your wall oven. Very easy to make, and today I'm going to show you how to make it delicious tandoori naan. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The ingredients we need: 2 cup all-purpose flour, which is maida, half cup vitamin D milk is lukewarm, 4 tablespoons homemade dahi, curd, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon each salt, sugar and baking powder. The first step will be get a mixing bowl, get a sieve, put maida, baking powder, sugar, salt. The whole reason we're doing it, if there is any impurities in flour, maida, you can take it out. So everything looks good. Now we're going to make a dough. We're going to add all the ingredients at the same time: milk, olive oil and dahi. Now mix it. Once it's nicely combined like this, knead the dough, and we're going to use our hands. So knead the dough for a couple minutes. If your fingers are sticking, you can add a little bit more oil and then knead it. So just keep kneading like this. So after kneading the dough for a couple minutes, this is how it looks, and we're going to put the plastic wrap. Once we place the plastic wrap, you can cover with the lid or plate or anything, but the plastic wrap is the best. If it's warm weather, leave it on the countertop for half an hour. If it's cold weather, then I would suggest open your microwave or oven without even turning it on. Just place it up there, and we'll come back after half an hour. We waited for half an hour. Now we'll open it. Add some little oil on your hand. Press it, and you take the dough out. As you see, this is how the dough looks. So we're going to make it even cut. So I'll make it. Now we're going to make it even sized dough ball. It's a good idea if you have a cutter like this, then it becomes even, and you do it like this. And get a plate, and then as you can see it, so place it in the plate just like this. So place in the plate. From 2 cup flour, we can make 8 of these. This is the last one. So once we place all the dough ball, we call it peda, into plate, get a muslin cloth or kitchen towel, make it wet, cover it, and we're going to let it sit so you can prove it more better. We waited for 20 minutes. And now we're going to get some oil Add on the Lazy Susan and rolling pin. So we're going to roll out. You can use a rolling pin or you can press it like this, and once it's rolled out, it's flattened out. Then we'll place it in a plate. The second one. Once it's flattened, I'll place it in a plate. We can make 4 of these at one time. So we'll just flatten it like this. Whatever easier, if you want to roll out, you can roll out like this. But it's a good idea, flatten it with a hand. So as you see, this is how it looks. So plate. I'll do it one more. Or wait for the oven to be preheated at 450°F, which is 232°C. Then we'll place these on the tray. So the first step will be the preheating the oven. I have 2 ovens, lower oven and upper oven. So on the upper oven, we'll use a brake, and we're going to keep the temperature to 450°F, which is 232°C, and we're going to start it. Oven is preheated at 450°F, as you hear the beep, and we'll turn the light on so you can see it, and it's a good idea to keep the tray inside. So now we're going to pull it and we'll place the naan on it. Open the oven and just be careful, don't burn yourself, and place the tray. Pull the tray out and we'll place right on top of it. Place the second one. Place the third one. And the fourth one. As soon as you put it in, put it inside. At 450°. If we look at the time right now, it's 4:19. So within 5 minutes, it will be done. Then we're going to bring the broil for 2 minutes. So within 7 minutes, it will be done. So if we look at right now, it's 4:24. So that's 5 minutes exactly on the bake. This is how you can see it. And now I'm going to turn it off, cancel, and I'm going to do the broil and keep it high, and we're going to start it. 424, we're going to give 2 minutes. So within 2 minutes on a broil, it will be all done. Five minutes on a bake from 19 to 24, and from 24 to 26 on a broil. 2 minutes. So within 7 minutes, it's all done. So I'm going to turn it off, cancel it, and I'm going to pull it out. So I'm going to pull the tray out, and we're going to take these out. And now we're going to put the second batch. For the second batch, we're going to do the same thing. Upper oven, bake, temperature should be on 450, which is 232, and we're going to start. I'm going to open it, and we're going to pull the tray out and place right on top. Just be careful when you put it in, don't burn yourself. So once we place it, now we're going to push the tray back, and we're going to close it. And it's a 428. So we're going to give 5 minutes. By 433, we're going to turn it off, and we're going to start the broil for 2 minutes. And on the other side, these 4 we taken out, and just apply some butter. These are very tasty, delicious naan. Within 7 minutes, without tandoor, you can make it inside your oven. It's exactly 433, so it's a 5 minute. And now I'm going to cancel it, and we're going to use the broil on high and start it. So 33 at 35, 2 minutes. It will be all done. So within 7 minutes, you have your tandoori naan in your oven without tandoor. Please try this recipe and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.